Hello once again, welcome to Fish-itis. I'm Tom Kirk. I got my son with me, Nate. You've seen him on several episodes this year. We are going for pike and muskie with the big lures again. I've got the illness of fishing, I know he does, and ever since I caught that big pike, 42 inches right there. He saw it and wanted to try it. I haven't fished, like I said on that episode, I haven't fished for like 15 years for big species like that. It got me pumped up to go again, so here we are, back out. We're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully we can get a muskie. If not, we'll take another big pike, won't we?
Yeah.
Yes, we will. So
I'm gonna try to catch another pike. I'm trying to catch.
yeah.
Another big
and the
pike.
challenge today is that if he does get a pike or a muskie, I'm gonna take him to Buffalo Wild Wings for wings. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, let's get him. There he is. Oh! Wow, look at that.
What is it? Is it a musky
I
one?
don't know. But second cast. Wow, third cast. That pike hit it. Look at it. It's a pike. It's not a real big one, but no, that's okay, Nate. I'll get him in a second. All right. Good job, Nate. Oh, that didn't last long. Holy moly.
Not last long!
Wow. Woo. All right, well, the Suick Thriller, third cast of the day, gets a pike. It's not a big pike, and it's a nice pike. Grab that boga down underneath it's underneath that back black. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, wow.
Good job, Nate.
I got a bite.
Wow, that is craziness, Nate. I didn't expect to get a hit already. But hey, that's why you come out in the morning, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now I need your help again. I need your help again. I'm gonna need your help with this one a little bit. I need you to stay away from him first of all, but get the long pliers that are underneath the throttle. There's like you see them there?
These ones?
Yes. Yes, thank you, bud. Good job. These are made for,
Pike.
they're real strong. Yeah, like that. And that's just that's a small pike. Small for what we're fishing for, huh?
Yeah.
You're not on the screen.
We're trying to look
Yeah,
for
there
monsters.
we go.
We're trying to look for monsters.
This is a small pike for what we're looking
Yeah.
for. It's probably 32 inches.
It might be big for other people,
Right.
but it's actually.
Ah!
It might be big for other people, but it's actually pretty small for
I'm gonna
us.
put him back in here.
I'll catch the white one again.
He's gonna. There he goes. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's a.
Did it hold?
Okay, so here we go. How about that, huh, people at home? Hopefully we can get it out of my skin. Probably not. Get back there, but it's all right. It's all right. Well, you learned a lesson. Careful when you cast, huh? Look at that. Nate caught my sweatshirt. I only got a little ding. Get a little scare, huh? Nate picked out a 6-inch grandma lure, which is a really good lure for pike and muskie. Come on, let's get him.
That's what me.
You got one, Nate?
Yep.
Do you have one or a weed?
That's a fish. That's gotta be a fish.
It is a fish. All right, Nate, don't reel anymore. Don't reel
It's a bass.
Don't reel anymore.
It's a bass.
Don't pull him out of water. Yeah, you got a bass, Nate. Yay, good job.
I don't think that counts.
That's gonna count. I'm gonna let it count. Good job,
I got
buddy.
the wings.
Look at that, it's a nice bass. Nate.
Yeah.
I had to net him with this big net. I didn't know you had something because you always say you have something and they're always weeds.
But this time
So,
I actually
come
got
here, Nate. Look at this. All by himself. Well, we said with the challenge a muskie or a pike, but I'll tell you what, that's a nice largemouth. So we're gonna go ahead and let him get the wings with that.
Hey!
All right.
Hey, at the beginning, I thought I wouldn't win the challenge, but actually, I did.
Come over here. There he is, Nate.
Largemouth bass.
About a 16, 17. Go ahead.
Largemouth bass. Yes! I get the wings!
All right, that's about gonna do it for us today. We just fished a half a day. Had a fun day though. Got a nice northern in the morning, not a huge one, but it was fun catching them. I got hooked in the back. It barely went in, luckily. I was telling Nate that I did the same thing to my dad when I was his age, only it went in past the bar and we had to go to the hospital and get it out. But luckily, that one didn't go in too deep, and it was funny. We're laughing about it now. So we changed the challenge. Originally, it was if you caught a pike or a muskie, we could go to Buffalo Wild Wings. But since he felt so bad about hooking me, I felt bad that he felt bad. I said, you know what, Nate? If you catch a largemouth bass, we'll go to Buffalo Wild Wings as well. And he went and caught a largemouth bass, a nice one. So we're excited. We get to go get some wings. You ready to do that?
Yep.
All right. 5. Thanks for watching Fish-itis. We'll see you next time.